So I'm using the mount on a 43-inch Vizio. It says 300 by 300. This is the mount. All this comes apart. You have to screw it in. One little screw, it's what's going to hold all the weight, which looks very flimsy. Going by their instructions, 14 is the 300 by 300. That doesn't seem to work for me. I guess it does. It screws in there, I guess. Anyway, that's not my problem. My issue is that this is the only configuration where it works on this TV. These are the 4 holes, right? And you have to have this one exposed so you can screw in and tie the bracket to the main bracket because it's loose. So my issue is that the legs stick out. So when I hang it up, this is going to stick out from the bottom of the TV. It just looks like it's oversized for a 300 by 300. And then this thing is, like I said, what's holding it is one little screw. I don't get how that is safe, but this is the only thing holding the weight of the TV. Yeah, it's only 20 pounds, but there's no other configuration. I can, if I make it shorter, like let's say I bring it more in. I hate this damn bracket, man. Would have never bought it. I should have paid attention. So I make it shorter, it hides the screw, right? So I can hide this little leg at the bottom. The only way to make it work is by bringing it out.
Got it mainly for the corner, but as you can see, you can move it, put it to the side if you want. The main reason I got it is for the corner. Put it right in the corner. Real nice. Don't hesitate to make that purchase. You won't be disappointed. Got a little vibe going on. Get that TV stand if you want it in the corner.
So I have a finished basement that I pretty much use as a rec room, studio, home office thing. And so I had gotten this 55-inch TV about 4 months ago, and I was using that sofa table that you see right there below it. And it was working great. It's just, it took up the whole table, and I don't know, I was looking for more space, as you can see. A little tight on space. So I wanted to get that on the wall. And with this mount, it's great because I could throw it in the corner. Now, the room isn't gigantic, but really, because of this great bracket, really, I can pull it out from the wall here and angle it any which way I want. So if I put seating along this wall or over there or right there, it's going to work. So I think as long as you, I don't see why it wouldn't fit anyone's needs.
Bueno, el aparato es muy bueno. Yo no digo lo contrario, pero a nosotros no nos sirvió. Esto tiene que ir aquí. Mira la distancia que hay para que llegue. No sirvió, estas paleticas no sirvieron. Aquí están los huequitos. Miren, así se los pongo para que vean que no sirvió. Yo puse 42 pulgadas de televisor, son 42 pulgadas de televisión, pero no funcionó. ¿Ves? Tenemos que enganchar, se tendría que enganchar aquí y de esa manera quedaría muy corto, donde tiene que... Todo vino súper bien empaquetado, todo perfecto, el aparato está súper bueno, pero el único inconveniente es que las aspas, las cositas estas, no llegan aquí, tendría que ser más grande. Gracias.
This is a great TV wall mount. It is fully motion. I mean, I can move this TV literally anywhere. Right up against the wall, or I can pull it out, move it the other way, pull it all the way out or move it back. No matter where it wants to go, it is full motion. Yeah, love it, love it. Just hooks onto the back here with a few screws. Padded screws as well. There's padding on it so it doesn't ruin your TV. And a couple of really good bolts to hold it into your wall. So yeah. You can just position it wherever you want.
Like, it tilts a lot.
Okay, here is, I like that I can move the TV around this way, that way. I also can pull the TV out. As you can tell, it makes a little bit of noise back there. But the TV has not fell, and my 11-year-old moves the TV around a lot. And it was pretty easy to put up there. I did it by myself.